1. Fill a shallow container with warm water. Give the tap a minute or two to heat up. The water needs to be pretty hot in order to soften the plastic frames enough to make them pliable. Run enough water to completely cover the bent glasses. Intense temperatures can melt plastic frames. If the water is too hot to touch, chances are it's too hot for your glasses. You also have the option of holding the glasses directly under a stream of hot water or using a hairdryer if there are no suitable containers around. 2. Dunk the glasses in the water for 30 seconds to a minute. Lower the glasses to the bottom of the container so that they're fully submerged. There, the heat of the water will begin to act on them. Let them sit for at least 30 seconds before removing them and patting them dry with a clean microfiber towel. If you're using a hairdryer, hold the nozzle about 6 inches 15 centimeters away from the frames and wave it back and forth for 30 to 60 seconds. Handle the glasses carefully. They'll be even more fragile than normal when warm. 3. Bend the frames into position delicately. Hold the glasses steady with both hands while you use your thumbs to work on the most misshapen areas. Apply pressure a little at a time, holding the frames in the desired shape for a few seconds, then letting them relax. You should feel the plastic flexing under your touch. Avoid placing unnecessary stress on the frames, especially around the arms and nosepiece. If you try to bend them too much, they could easily snap. If the frames start to cool off before you're finished, give them another 20 to 30 seconds of hot water or air. You can repeat this process as many times as needed. 4. Allow the glasses to cool before wearing them. Once you've got your glasses looking good as new, leave them to sit out at room temperature for a few minutes. This will give the plastic a chance to harden back up, making your corrections permanent. You can then try them on without having to worry about them warping or breaking. Keep in mind that plastic frames can be harder to fine-tune than metal ones. If your glasses still don't fit exactly how you want them to, it may be a good idea to take them back to the retailer to have them repaired professionally.